support am na ma Jessica is supporter for side for Edina, Ede for side for Southwest too, now for Cameroon. Now we will come back and then we could enter for inside the talk. So chapter 1 we go talk about this boy where they catch him inside Yaoundé, Colbison. Where he don't choke, he come the time where he will make pala, so take come the he die. This thing, it don't big problem, so take Gendarmerie Nationale with the commander for Colbison Brigade. He turn they catch this boy and the boy he talks to this so now a devil he interview his king for cause all this confusion. Now in that we wanna see him and in no place now it will be now for Garou. Now for make a meal and no say so for inside country now Satan in the water any side where it will be alive for Satan. They get for use you as a like now small picking them they get some tension now where man in not understand sometimes na palava poor where it is step or palava walk way not for country and now way it put tension for you them man in on sabi Mr. Lambert Kiben win a prince for Kochi Palace and for side for Oko Palace what you ever top on top the tension where people then get for Cameroon small trouble man they take knife to become he die.
This is really tension because you yourself before you want to do something for a person ask them say if they do it for me I go there how now something where I don't look since I see that news I just ask myself whether we be controlled now by the devil and the worst thing when I like about media I say this kind of person so you man they talk to me they cover your face they cover your face they will still carry that picking look and you want to see tomorrow ready for our site how many don't kill up if you get hurt for true person and the consider you say you be done the choke up before that day come, me took the one me they catch up. That's something we get to decline. Parents they need to be very attentive. We need to talk for our picking them. Sometimes our parents they will be too busy for our work. But they too busy 24/7. Mama they busy 24/7. Now babysitter they take care for us. We need to talk for our picking them. Communication with the family. We just work now because house rent day, water bill, electricity bill. Me we talk for our picking them because all when they talk, we they bring them up in the way they call and say badly brought up picking them.
Okay. We could come on now with internal side for Douala and nothing will be done show him. However, this boy when he gets 17 years, he will come out and then he goes soon will become with them. After and then he die inside water, they bring him Tampo Presbyterian mortuary for side for Bonabe for Sibek. Now he will the contribute himself, he last come out, he go enjoy his life, he chop soya. He want to come now, he take a chair for a person where they ever look at them for inside mortuary, he should not on top now, and then national morning time where a person where they look at there are people in for mortuary, he see how time man he don't come out, go play live, he come back, he can't be ready on top of the chair. So this thing it will cause problem for inside that side for Bonabere after it is outside for social media. Now let us now say the wash night. Where it guide the people them for side for Sibek mortuary, they don't talk to you. So this body it will bring confusion for inside the mortuary. Say music it will play all night for inside the mortuary, and by where they fight for inside not na small one. So you don't talk to you say this so he don't resign, he not could be again watch night for that mortuary. So trouble is now for Sibek as we talk so Lambert, this boy he die, he come out, he go play life, and then he turn back and then come tight for that place. Now Guardian don't talk to this if continue if they don't move this cup for this place go different side that means say no go continue work say
see we don't be used to for the top something they hide them between the nowadays they admire what going to be their own at the 38 years old how could you expect somebody now get 40 million or 38 million that is so now something where if you don't do that black market if you don't take your hands choke out for blood you not fit ever. You will see this kind of Choronko picking 17 years plus. If you want count 20 million. That's me for who side? They will not give me right to where I don't reach 20 years. Mama to give me 100 francs, 150. And the go use and bring back change. Mama keep up. But nowadays you want to see where they will celebrate the day. Picking that they share money. You might be going off light with 50 million, 50,000 for snack bar. You're talking alive. Now this kind of thing where he will not look at the next generation where they come after we. If you don't work for blood, if you don't drink blood direct for rope, we are finished. Now big shame. A big shame. And then the back say, maybe we will continue for the top of protect them. You don't think they ought to. Only drive inside picking like say you be picking for management. No way. No, when you over compare life, you compare life. First and the drive Prado. You know, see the now. First and the get work now. If you want get hard back for 20,000, the job upon you, you want get hard back for 20,000. How much is your salary? You will see that, for example, not cut from a rich man for the who want to talk about Dangote. You don't see Dangote dressing. But now they want to get cooked for 500,000. Your salary now, how much you want to wait? They don't choose for some place and you do so. But tell me that man design say, because the man that's why they are alive. You know, people they did die more than 3 times.
Okay. We come on now, we go now for Tinto subdivision. Tinto subdivision is for that side for Southwest. They say there's some village. Because we be talking to some people and take us away. We not talk to this now for Tinto subdivision. But now inside Tinto subdivision, where villages them there. And now plenty villages there for entire inside Tinto subdivision, where they say they so Joe and Joseph they can ask villagers them for give 1 million before they leave for their village. So they make it now all these villages where they see and so no man they know they again for village, they don't decide for go now for inside bush and then go to work farm, they sleep for inside farm. Market they use themselves now so it happen. We know one call name for the village, but the people in for Upper Banyan they know where to go with the talk. They know what to talk, and the people them they don't can't talk to them. So 1 million when we ever pay 1 month, now we're not going to pay now 5 million. Now we make it now all man enter bush, then they work now with then they work Nambanga, and then they work cocoa and planting. Also they going to get money for the pay anytime. How man go there for a village, they pay again before they leave for that village. So that they bring total confusion for that side for Upper Banyan, for a side for Southwest. How they could ask villagers them for pay 1 million and they don't start to pay. Now they don't build price for petrol, build price for rice, build price for tin them. Now anyway, people them too they don't go talk say this so when I will pay 1 million, when I will pay now 5 million. It be normal, all man no interpush.
When you look that village so from the house the way they day, you see whether man fee even work 500,000 for day.
Even 200,000.
I don't talk this thing now them because there is only talk somebody they pay somebody the guy say no, it don't happen. And they don't start pay. Now them sabi, now them take their head. Because the way you defeat some animal, we don't know you walk. When the animal go move past you, it go swallow you. Now the which will happen so. People they man of you can eat out my house, talk somebody pay 100,000 man just the pay say and the fear waiting. We finish there and there. We see who the who. They don't start paying now. When I don't groom something now, it don't come the catch when I want excuse them. Me they she don't meeting. Palava don't even for run. Because if you still run forward, they will play with the day. The best thing I say, me they come back to their senses, group deny how I say, we will not be run again. We will come back to our village, we will not be run with them. Because you know the thing where they chop me then inside meat. When me want spoil, you see where you say me don't spoil. Even inside meat. Now some people they just decide for that area because we can wahala. And when the person didn't happen, we will come back from the village. How did that for the people who take money say, we will not steal their money and already go. We like to kill the whole village. You don't ever kill the whole village.
Okay. We come over that one now. We talk palava this road where we do for social media. Say they don't tire them. To remind if you go to that side, they go see say this one na poto day. They show them. Now they do this where they don't start the tire them. For come out for side where they call them. For church junction for side for Kumba. For go for Kondo Titi. Now we early them for that side. They don't talk say this one to remind. Now you don't put we and now you don't move we for inside this trouble. We will see the photo which is in a true. So time when they show them, they see poto, they look again. Say they saw photo where they will send them for social media. Say they don't have saying a lie. Now in this way to remember show them. And that minister where they look out to work for inside Cameroon, he called the contractor. He give work for contractor, so the road they don't start now. They bring gravel, they bring cement, caterpillar don't start. So Mr. Lambert, yes. Now road this way we will show him for inside mouth. Yes. Some more time it will be in a conta.
Yes. Now you know say play where route the past development the follow. And now tell you say these Facebook people the way they take say any small thing na social media. You know you stop for the belief for social media sometimes. I just sorry for talk to. Social media get the good, the bad, and the ugly. They will not believe for social media like say they're all and all. It's not correct. Person never young snap pictures say they don't work where they never work. If you want to contract or be still the program is safe for see for can't start work. But they find things that say they don't start the work, and with the pray say, me the work, because play well to pass now, all man for the user, whether not team man, whether not jealousy man, whether not condosa man, whether not people, whether they chop people, them, they use that road. Play well, do pass, development will be follow. People they can't invest for their plenty because if you bring your small motor now, you go into pass anyhow. If you bring anything now, if you enter a village and so now you go, we will leave road them, leave road the function. And contract to them when they give you a work, I swear, even you know to go resign or reject them, no agree away, no work.
Okay. So now, till the level we get for talk. Yes, the big man don't come. Yes, big man don't come. It go stand now. It go talk. Wait till they pass for you now because we don't reach for you, Mr. Lambert.
That's so
yes. Matter where it is for inside Cameroon. What happened yesterday for site for Moka quarter. Yes, Moka quarter for site for Bamungo. Now inside that side for Northwest Cameroon. What really happened? We will see how it happened before we will show the man. May we get images. On peut avoir les images de ce qui se passe. Now we will talk now. Now in that, now place where they can say, what can quarter for inside Bamungo? As we may see, what will be passed there? They say there's some news in Inter for that side. And we controversy this will get for sure. This one, now a whole school. Now picking a level inside the school for site for Moka quarter for inside Bamungo. What is last happened? They say they so all these beginners, they don't talk to me, they not pass for this school again. And again, they kidnap 16 people them, teacher them there inside, and then they shoot the person where they look at the school. That means say watch day and watch night. This woman where if you work at the teach speaking them, now he says they don't kidnap them. We see not picking for hand where they give them Bobby. So picking don't make them now, picking don't make number 2 day for inside book. That means a total of 17 people. This man they so he in a hospital now where they don't shoot them with gun. Whether not Joe, whether not Joseph, man not understand. And the one thing where people in the ask and I say, how they could come? They look now under one school for inside Bamungo village. Where school they live inside that village past 1,000 or past 100 or past 50. Why not under the school they can't stop and say, may pikin no go for school, may teacher no come for school, and where normal school now something where teacher they go take his sense, give up for pikin. And then tomorrow pikin they take the sense and then can be person who will help the nation or help the family or help the village. Because in the day for village where it is past through contribution. Person where you know get work, you know will get the contribution for a GIAM, the development fee. So now when they stop the school, now say this speaking then they go can't be now illiterate or they go can't get sense. Matter northwest and southwest. School normal if we get for the go, so that tomorrow if it what happen now, then they check so that we'll get people that will the stand, then talk with another people them. But if we can't get with one minister, we no sabi talk, we return according to talk. That means say now mess, we don't mess. So now we could get a chief. Yes, chief. You be chief for Mokan quarter for site for Bamungo. What is your pass for your village?
Thank you very much, MOKO. Thank you very much, LTM, La Televisio du Monde, for give me the opportunity to say make a cry for the whole world, for Bamungo, for Cameroon. It is sorry in speaking them. I come first for Big Papa and Mama for picking them. And beg that picking them. What they don't go through. I took so the struggle. I struggle a little bit. The past never fought. Now I almost for the hours.
The big semi come like
okay. Now I almost for 20 hours. 16 people have 16 teachers. They can't go through our bush. Begin when they see somebody in the bush. At the back day, they be told to make a program about people. I be beg that development, see me come back go. I say they say my project about they say they don't want development. I don't apologize. I don't hear.
no development. I'm gonna close the school. I beg more to bring back the people. Bring back this people. Bring back this people. Bring back this people. Anything I wasn't my apologize for, I apologize for. When I bring back these people, then we don't close the school. When I bring back these people, I don't apologize. I don't even know what I apologize for. When I say I apologize for Bible people, and I have to apologize because they don't deserve to be one of development. I mean, one like LTM don't talk. Say tomorrow the country will define them. When the country don't find out who they go work for, now who they go to work inside the country, they're the one that is speaking them. When they check like them, they don't give time for these things. They don't also come for this world. So I beg una, Bible people them. I beg una, I the sleep for ground the beg. Say when I don't say my apologize before when I go leave that teacher them, and before when I don't come for LTM like television the month for beg. Say me the whole world years at the back. Say me they bring back the teacher, they bring back that small people with the soap of me. So now other way at the top and at the top say if I be doing anything wrong. Forgive me, leave the people that now when I'm putting them as all this, believe what come for Southwest, that she don't send me the local people, them not big gap. Now the thing for life, they don't just call me now. The principal that way they for corner, people don't inside the bush, and they don't call me now, so they don't talk, so they get to do another operation. They ask me $500,000. But the first one, we don't already spend almost close to $1 million for life. Now they ask another $500,000 because they say they get to do some other operation before they will see whether they can survive. So at the bank say, if they shoot my pikin, that means they don't shoot at me. If they shoot my pikin, they don't shoot at me. If you go for a palace, go shoot pikin for palace, you don't shoot at chief. So me, they even leave other people they already did for bush me, they come back. Say I beg, I do really beg. Any apology when I be told I make them, I don't make them. And even I want to apologize for anything, I don't accept the apology. Meaning I just forgive me, say I want development of Babungo, me picking them, be them in peace, and me thank God say no picking, no be die.
Okay, so Chief, Tiwe want ask some and want save me the whole world a year for your mock na say you dey apologize for who?
The message where they come from me, the message will be say they don't shut down the school for now and say make I apologize to Babungo people.
Okay, now so the message they talk.
Yes, so when I don't apologize to Babungo people, the Babungo people now go give the next action, the next order for what way they feel do them. And where I understand say if I apologize to Babungo people as I apologize to, then now they go leave, talk me they leave these people them. They even if they close the school, fine. Me no man die. Me I did my picking in the hospital, so me die. They may need to die follow. For me, all the people they come back. Me they live, Bible go me live in peace because one Bible go in peace, one Bible go for development, one Bible go for be a kingdom, not the village where all money talks in a village where we know say Bible go every village in a kingdom.
Okay, so Chief, go for inside this matter. This school where people for MOKO them Bilang. Not now for bring good education for inside Bamungo village. Okay, when they come stop the school, what be the gain for stop the school?
General, what we talking about true. More than 2,000 people in this place from all over Ngogutundia, from Oku, from different surrounding villages, Banso, all over. More than 2,000 they come in there every day. One, they gain their education for tomorrow for become something big. Two, the economy where the boast stand for Babungo going to be small thing. Because if you imagine 2,000 people away, they come plus the Babungo picking them, maybe not some small thing. Three, if they make them, me all man know say now place that way. People they don't run from Oku for work, run for other places of the world, run all over Kana inside Babungo. They won't give them land for free because land for Babungo over fertile. Let them keep the work the farm. Now the reason that way Reverend General Francis, if we don't start agricultural university, now do disease program later on. He said they come back for 2025 we can continue that agricultural university. With all this land we find, we fertile. I didn't even call investors for all over, Chinese them all over. No one come invest for rice. But go get very fertile land. You don't need no fertilizer. You plant rice, they go, come on at the best rice, corn.
farms, everything. So I become investor for all of Simon. I can invest in agriculture for Babungo. Now they don't say education of it be there. At least me agriculture can it could give employment for people because only this educational institution, be a Royal College of Arts, Science and Technology, bureaucrats. If you start from 0 level, go all the way for high school, only employment will be given, maybe a small employment. Now the school no day again. May they even leave the chair, they may they be unemployed, but may they alive, may they go back for their family.
Okay, Chief, we hear say this whole time when you open the school, you be leave picking and go school for 4 years for free.
Well, General, not true.
Where they not pay no school for
General, for 2 years. For 2 years, I paid teachers. I do all things for them. Make honor because I don't see and say we get trouble, we get problem for Northwest and Southwest. Beginning a little bit go school for my area. I don't show for America. Check how my picking the boss. You can't take them for door. Go one reach for school. A principal don't stand. Salute them. They go straight for go chop breakfast. When they don't finish chop breakfast, they take them go there for class. They give them all book, give them all tea. They learn. They want be lunchtime. When hungry, hot. They take them. They go chop. The entire reach where they don't close. They give them chop me. They bring away. They go chop for house. Boss carry the gun keeper. I say why my own picking them? They go to enjoy. They go to they find so. Then I see picking the for Babungo. They know they that way. They know they go school for years. Now anyway I can't start this school. I know be start this school now for make money. If I want make money, I will open this school for Yaoundé. I will open up for Douala. I will open up for big places where money go fit come off for the. I go now for village. And for that school, picking must come school now where they don't tell me they pay school fees. When they be take pay, you get corn. You bring and can pay at picking school fee later. You get plantain, you bring and can pay at school fee later. Anything where you get them fowl, good, you bring and can pay at school fee, you picking school fee later, so that when we take them now, we sell them, or even cook chop for that picking them, be the chop. But I want only beg say this school not been for big money, it's been for help and go, help go opportunity, help the entire Northwest, they picking them with their parents do not afford, they didn't go school.
Okay. So we will come back for you, you get for rest, and then we come for Lambert Kiven, and you said we don't see, wait we don't pass for that school, we there for that side for Mokang village, for Bamungo, Monkang quarter for Bamungo. So they say Messi don't enter for phone and say they no one's cash no picking, and no one cash no teacher, and then they don't stop the school, and then they don't kidnap 16. And then plus one picking we still the sucking baby, Bobby, what he got for talk Lambert. This thing, that thing we don't make them, man, not understand.
They never talk say shock. I don't enter shock today. See, they will born me. And now we don't ever see where big man he cry. Talk less of chief for television. Sometimes we talk these things like say they joke my joke so when people they watch. I don't start to get some messages there for you. And the pray say whether na waiting. Anything where we go against school, I know they need it. We start to hear the talk. Like say we talk like say they be born me talk. Now simply because say we go school. This is pen and paper. I will write my name. I will work for you. I run because say I will go school. Even that 1 year, me my inter classroom, 4 years of a class very important. I be talk over my mommy when don't die for 2017. I beg. This thing where children are for her. You will know what you wear me. You don't beg na beg no. The best thing I go leave that problem. When I leave them so, when I leave them, they come back. If the worst come to work, I beg that small picky where the sock. He don't do it waiting. He don't do it waiting. Now we don't like education. Now we don't like peace. We don't, this thing since 2016. We don't benefit waiting. We don't burn all. We don't chakara all. We don't kill plenty. Not in our time this for she don't now talk say we don't end. Maybe end the way we end. I beg at the back na beg. For see I see can't go say I get aggressive for I don't see fine. I get aggressive for I. For see chief cry terrible. Terrible.
Anyhow way they all thing na for body hand, but chief he don't cry for before the whole world. This one now something we know we don't see him. So we the back the people them for side for Bamungo say me then try for year talk for chief. Man, no, know. Oh, the thing about Sika with you, we no know. Go away, it get all way. Now you say, you know what way they pass. But with the back say this, so me they try for release the teacher them, the student them, so that me they go back for the house. Me them close the school. I mean, chief don't talk this so. If you believe you say this so, it could come be so. If you take this development, do another different my village. Imagine how man go get his own village for bring development for the village. If you develop different my own village, and at this thing your village, no problem. It's not correct. And at this thing, now when they talk to people, they go abroad and they think about their village. Now you don't can invest. Where did the village invest again? Now anyway, you don't apologize for the sake of peace. Chief don't apologize. Yes. I beg, with the beg now, we don't know whose side way they. Whose side whether now Paul or Peter. I beg now. When man not talk say this, sorry, be enough. That's what it is. So now, Mr. Lambert, we could go now for site for Tabiken village under NKAMBE center. Where did it happen? Now this one, where when I see am na peace plan where they work out am. No, we say trouble be for Tabiken. Then I say, Honorable Ngala Gerard, Yina. The mayor from NKAMBE Council, shame for Musa, they come out, they go for to go open some bridge for me too, and then for a bit so time for me, Gerard Ngala, say me come good. So you don't talk to also in the mayor campaign, you on campaign, now only way to wait it do for the population. Now in this way the worker, now my way they come and say, time for me, Honorable Ngala, yes, Gerard. So all things go back to the proper season and title man. Kishet for Tabiken, if the dance, to be dance, so can dance if the way it come out. So they be work so they go. Then a chief and the schoolman for Tabiken Palace, and then they come out and then it talk, they make tradition for that bridge. All man be glad because that bridge na bridge way it be over block people that for inside Tabiken, so they do see on the population where they come out. And this countryman, he don't go for social media, say so this countryman, he will divide money from NKAMBE and wait in a lie. Money where divide them for Tabiken. Yes, he will divide money now for inside Tabiken and Tabiken a village. So now if you go divide money for your brothers them and your sister them, and then people will not take up die with them inside social media for nothing. After Tabiken, where they finish the bridge, as when I see some juju, they come and say suffer. Now so it ever work out. Now the bridge that way they don't build them, and then mommy them become all man will be glad for what we do. So they will go shit down now. After the blue talk how the development therefore go on and all. They want to shame for Musa with the mayor from NKAMBE Council, shame for Musa and in that because plenty people don't know it. And then again, Honorable Yusef he be talk with the people them, and then he talk now for the village. Now so it happened. So Francois, we go now for NKAMBE. Go see now how they will finish for Tabiken the camp from NKAMBE. Now number 10 day from NKAMBE, 10 February 2024, where they will get a CPM their conference and it will be now for grandstand as we see. So people them militant for CPM, they will come all angle, they can't talk for grandstand. This one now Honorable Ngala Gerard, they talk for the militant them for CPDM, and I show them say this so then say they don't see wait them don't work like parliamentarian and the mayor. I will thank the mayor from NKAMBE Council for the work way he work up. Countryman Lambert Kiven, you know the Honorable Ngala Gerard for long. What you don't do for site for Donga Mantum. Caesar it will take power. What do you feel? How you feel? I don't know why you ask answer. But they say time for me at the highest person where don't prove say they tell me key himself for you people. Now an example of what you want to say an honorable. I don't do them. Time for me don't do everything possible. Say me please, it come back from NKAMBE. Now example that. No please they NKAMBE. And they blame now the people the way they get uniform. The support for do everything possible. Me high level security is there for that NKAMBE. For the sake of Ngala Gerard alone, even the same they do it because of you one, the people will do it. Military will not be support for relax. They be relaxed. So at the top say Ngala Gerard don't do. I want to wait to leave you. He don't open road. He don't. I want to wait to leave waiting. Master counter for here. Thank you, catch me. Okay. So me will see the men now after the 10th February. What will become next now 11 February? We will see 11 February for site from NKAMBE. How it pass? 11 February, 11 February from NKAMBE. Yes. Now in that 11 February for side for NKAMBE. Now so picking them will come out all side. They carry green, red, yellow. Where me say peace, work fatherland. That's what it mean. So they be march from NKAMBE because the peace is there from NKAMBE. And who they don't bring the peace? Now they everybody for side for Donga and Mantum. And the mayors them for side for Donga and Mantum, the parliamentarian them for Donga and Mantum. And where we talk so that we say parliamentarian from NKAMBE, mayor from NKAMBE, parliamentarian from Du, mayor from Du, parliamentarian from Wa, mayor from Wa, parliamentarian for Ako, mayor for Ako, parliamentarian for Mr. J, mayor for Mr. J. So all these 5 subdivisions and them they bring peace for inside and NKAMBE. So they be march and they want to march the member. The member say this so the next day could be now palava wait it could be now and birthday from Konkoma Naiwe then talk to this so then carry a photo for tech match. Yes, the match now so some picking them the match as the match teacher them too they work out with them. So now grand standard where when I see them after the match it will be now running me we see them running be there for that side. I stay running newspaper they talk to this one for grandstand. So radio them say na for grandstand and where they not be there for day. This thing now after we picking them we don't match so matching finish. Now those where they know for slap dengue and those where they start dance where they be the down another time. But this thing the bomb where they say they so it don't fire from NKAMBE no me now for grandstand safe. Now for corner grandstand for place where they call and say now John White obvious John White bar. Some bar when John White will be get them. Yes, John White bar and it still get the very bad set for side for kilo medicine for side for Douala. So now they were today now for the place that landed look and find and you will see the signboard for the bar. Now the signboard that for the bar. Simota go cover your corner you go see them. So now here where they ever say pop off time way 20 May or 11 February or Labor Day a day. Now this section where people they ever flow for day because picking them they don't tie they get for buy massa they get for buy bakuru they get for buy makara they buy Alaska all now here where they can plan the bomb. So now here where picking them they can pack plenty bomb a fire not now for grandstand where the thing it be happen. So people enjoy the singer outside send them for social media. Hey we been there for grandstand hey we been there this one so to the man if you there for that side, so correspondent for I for LTM, if you there for that side, see where you look and you see some no grandstand this. Yes, no grandstand this. This one now place where they ever say Bakoro and the rest. So now they place this and you go see signboard for the place. Whether a signboard for grandstand all way we go put I can't see them. You see them? So we go put I we can't see them. So now here we other woman then they will sell. Those where they get for cut their foot and those where they get for cut their hand and where Cameroon government they don't take care for the victim them bring them for regional hospital for for Bamina and President Paul Biya don't talk to this so no family no go pay no 5 francs maybe they treat them for free. So Lambert even yes. Now so be passed for that side. Yes.
I know say you know say sometimes when they on air so no be old man like you.
Yes.
Some people like talk say they watch that our program say we not even know how to talk pidgin.
Yes.
It's understood.
Yes.
You be very correct. Now that one that you know. But the problem I say when person is struggle, they suffer in life, may you don't sacrifice your life for that NKAMBE.
Yes.
That the worst person when don't decide tooth and nail, say me please come back. Now time for me Galajirat. Honorable. When I MP. Why people they go there so? I don't talk for you for you say team where they talk say me school not involved. I don't like them. I don't like them because we build now a future of tomorrow. If I tell to will be future for tomorrow. We don't build a future where you don't get definition. For respect, the person that say hey, general.
Yes.
I talk so at the vex small. They are not the carry vex for TV because they live. This thing they so and they put 101 blame for the forces of law and order from Donga Mantum from NKAMBE. They be relaxed. They be sleep small. They be support to secure that place from the 1st to about the 20th of February. Send me picking them. That area will be, in fact, before you want pass for day. They get apparatus for check around the whole area. Whether bomb day or bomb not day. Why they go relax? Something happen now, they come out with ammo car, come out with all gun them, they fight it, you don't get use. Now selling after the market or selling after mass. You go into train attack that they pray. in the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Not be say, Father, come on, you go to pray, the top, that's why it be don't pass. So the make say, make the fact say, they don't make error from NKAMBE, make they reinforce them again. Make they use that they attack technical know-how for see play where in not they safe. Since they will protect the people and their property, they will protect the people in the way and future for tomorrow. But look at what will happen. And the worst way they say, people will say die, now picking for the when and so picking. This how we go because any play where this thing will go, it will turn someone. We don't do that waiting for who.
Okay. So now, after it don't happen, we see now how mommy them they be matched, they go for palace. For God think that upon say they saw this thing, it come up outside for inside. Me we see how mommy them they go for palace, countryman. Yes. Now so mommy them they be the match, they go for palace, and any woman be get peace plan. Any woman be get peace plan for go Hibam for palace say this so we palace and we village now peace we don't grow on top. We never grow on top trouble. So now right away all these women then what to go for palace and they take now one line. They will go for palace now one line as I say so it not be easy at all. Country people on the other side they don't vex and then they vex plenty as the matter it happen for this kind of way. Now they talk say now the countryman that way it don't happen and then you they talk a spokesman for side from NKAMBE Palace. Now in that way they talk. After you see Honorable Ngala and way they go talk. After I see mommy them. So this one now big mommy way he says they control other woman them. He begin on talk for talk. Ask when I see them. So they talk to this so that thing don't happen. The issue say this so that thing not go repeat again because if you want to repeat now woman them now they will do their own. They will put peace plan. They put an all side for palace. Maybe we go before Francois. Yes. So when I see population now, so this one attack. Yes. Now honorable time for me, Jada that time with the woman they from NKAMBE Palace. He says they go for the. It's also they comfort them. They talk say no anything it is in control and they go solve their problem. Now so it be happen for that side. So after that one now we go back for grandstand. Where by people talk to this so now for the we bomb a hala. We go see them now. Inside grandstand apart from NKAMBE this where they play. Now in such than this, now the population that for side for NKAMBE, where they come on now after the tradition, they come for grandstand for come pray. Pastor for Presbyterian church today, Father for Catholic church today, and then the other imam today, and then the other pastor them for the other churches them. Now the honorable this for grandstand with tax out. Then man we wear spectacle now Mr. Oliver where he says the control some band them for inside country. So all them they be did it. That when we come over there now we say this so me we see now liver me we yet in way honorable time for me get and go talk because people they talk to this so you be go to find money for the population from NKAMBE before them come out for house come for 11 February ground. Now first you be divide money from NKAMBE because I see now the one for Tabiken. Come you say no here.
In NKAMBE, we have more than 12,000 people at the youth in NKAMBE. Do you think I would distribute money for 12,000 people to come to the grandstand in NKAMBE? People know this. The people who tell in NKAMBE, I didn't give money to anybody that was attending youth day center in NKAMBE, but they were in NKAMBE. So if somebody is lying and using this, it's just people who are sympathizing with the enemy to destroy the people of NKAMBE. It is those who are against the one indivisible Cameroon. They are political opponents who think that they may seek office by trying to destroy my image. Oh, and it is as simple as that. Because I see even on social media, people who are from my place, who know very well I didn't give money to anybody in NKAMBE towards the youth day activity, saying that he cleared people in NKAMBE with money. I didn't give money to anybody in NKAMBE. Yeah, I did give money to people in Tabike and in Binka, and they had different youth day activities.
You again, honorable. This thing there where some people they don't carry out. For more, they send them all side. They talk that on. Say you don't bring big back for money. You come, you organize Ngando. Any man they come, take it on. Any man they come, take it on. They ask and say this so that money na for side. That money is common na for side. When I hear thing we will talk again. Talk.
Very well that they were being misled. I did that from the beginning of the crisis. And at one point that we do even in this, the family business, we have responsibilities to people when we know what shown them the route. That is exactly what I did right up to 2021. What I told you was that the parents that in NKAMBE should understand that it is important for the children to go to school. But the most reason he wasn't seeing me again championing or asking people to go to school because they now understood the importance. We had to do it at the beginning, and we did it. So for someone to say that I'm luring people to go to school for youth day activities with cash, it's just a blackmailing, or call it trying to tarnish the image of somebody. Because first of all, when you talk about sharing money, we were attacked in NKAMBE by terrorists on the 11th of February. As a politician, I go to the field and I have different class of followers. We have followers that want development. We have followers that only want to enjoy themselves. We want those who want roots. We want those who want boreholes. We want those who want to have fun. You have to make sure that as a politician you satisfy those different classes of people. And you will understand that even those that we assisted with cash, also most of them also benefited from different projects that we've done in villages. So, I mean, it is just crazy for somebody to think that you have to lure somebody in NKAMBE or in NKAMBE Central Subdivision to go for 11th February, because that hasn't been the case. I wasn't in NKAMBE for Youth Day last year, and there was massive attendance. I was not there, for God's sake. I went to the village, I went to NKAMBE, I went to other villages, and while discussing people, I decided to give them small financial assistance in the form of cash. And that wasn't in NKAMBE. I was in Tabike, I gave them cash at the market in Tabike, and Tabike do not attend 11th February in NKAMBE. So how do you want to put it that the people who attended in NKAMBE were there with cash? I didn't give money to anybody in NKAMBE, but I assisted a lot of projects in NKAMBE and other places. I gave money to people in Binka. Binka doesn't come for 11th February day in NKAMBE. So people who are saying this have a reason for saying that. And I understand as a politician that I have people who are trying to seek position, but trying to seek position by trying to lie and tarnish other people's image is not the way that I got to Parliament. I got to Parliament by working with the grassroots, by trying to change lives, like I do all the time. If you are talking about sharing money and giving human assistance, I do that here in Douala. I do it in Douala. I don't stand for elections in Douala. But if you come from a background where I come from, if you come from a poor background where I come from, and you know the importance of receiving from somebody, and you happen to make it in life to a certain extent, you will know the importance of giving back to the community. You will know the importance of helping the community. When I was growing up, harvesting coffee, selling kola nuts, I could imagine somebody giving me 1,000 francs. I know how much joy I would live for a certain time, enjoying that money or just being happy. So I know how much how much joy it gives people when they receive, because I've gone through that. Some people live or grow through their comfort zone and cannot understand the importance of giving back to the community, and will give in different forms. Like I was telling you, and it will not stop me from doing it. Like I told you, I do it in Douala, I do it in NKAMBE, I do it in Bamida, I do it wherever I find the need to do it. And I feel like doing it because people who are happy, people whose relatives are touched, but they think that Galatera has been touched and are happy. Instead of sympathizing with the bereaved families or with the families whose children have been injured, they are instead happy that have been touched. I'm not NKAMBE, I'm an individual, but I work for the community. You cannot in all your senses be thinking that you should be happy, whereas these children, the families are crying in pain. Instead of supporting and giving a helping hand to these families, some people on social media thinking that the good thing for them to do is that they are encouraging them. In one way, I'm only touched because I know those families have been touched. So I think that attack has made us stronger, and we are more determined than ever before. And we shall stand strong. And when these people talk lies, try to tarnish our image, you know something, when they go low, we go high. And we continue doing that. Well, you can only link those two activities because they are being carried out by the secessionist groups and the terrorist groups. So what else, how else can you describe or link the activities? So I think that it's something that has been repeating itself. I go to Kambe constantly, and I have this type of threat, but it has never stopped me from fighting for my community. It has never stopped me from fighting for my community. So for me, it's something that I love doing. I love giving back to my community. Like I told you before, if you haven't experienced the difficulties we experienced growing up, you will not know the importance of giving back to the community. That is why I don't distinguish where to give. I give where it is possible with the means I have. I give in Douala, I give out in Bamina, I give out in NKAMBE, I give out in Tapiken, I give out wherever.
Don't run! Don't run! Don't run! Wait, there's a child there! A child has been wounded!
Now, so it happened. May we go now for site for mortuary. Because they don't talk say so 40 people they don't die. So when they say na 10, now how many? Now where bishop he don't come out, he come. Say something that will happen for NKAMBE, we no can ask him for big man. For regional hospital and next from NKAMBE, say how the thing in the worker. So now so the big man for regional hospital and next from NKAMBE, he will receive bishop and he father them as they come. So it talks to this, so they don't try his best and then they don't oppress someone them. So they get for send them for regional hospital for site for Baminda. And we now with the talk so all the victims them they did for regional hospital for site for Baminda and they take care for them. So we go for before we go see how it be. Now it's time this way bishop don't come pray for the victim them before they go take a helicopter for come for Baminda. So now so they be prayer, title holder them, they be the inside. And then prayer will pass. Yes, now so they pray. Would I see him? Yes, so now so they will pray. So man of God, he said this will get for pray for them before anything. So any man be pray. Me will go down the side for mortuary, go see him. Yes. For see the 50 people that will don't die. Now the picking is the only one picking will don't die. For this matter. And they become for mortuary from NKAMBE. And this picking a student for government high school for some quarter for side from NKAMBE. And they don't carry go with a from Scotland for go bury them because they get a become for site for Banso because of the gun where they had a front side. It come the study for site for NKAMBE. Nothing that what they tell when I say this. So education it be important. Yes, many people that understand say this so picking again for go for school. So now in that as the comedy cops and then they don't feel make the picture as a stand. So but talk way there for them and say government for Cameroon it don't talk say the other victim them me then treat them for free. Me more time me will not hear doctor say me family pay money so we don't hear for the national news for Cameroon television we don't hear how they don't make report they talk say this so President Bob they don't talk say me then treat any victim for free and governor for Northwest Lele Lafrique he don't talk say this so now more than 70 say now 70 people them they be victim for this for what way it happen for side from NKAMBE see only population where they come from mortuary so Lambert given before one come out yes. Wait you don't see and you don't hear wait where honorable Ngala Gerard he talk now shame for Musa that now Joe Santa that from NKAMBE all them they talk so what you go for talk.
All these things what I told and say it don't already happen and with the presently cherish he rest in peace and say number one man for this country now His Excellency President Paul Biya me do everything possible me peace can because me I want to go back for Kumbu. I don't feel like Jena, I don't feel go for Kumbu now. Why? Me they do everything possible me peace come. Place where peace there we don't run camp for here the fidget for here because peace there for here. If it bad for here, whose side we will go? Who say we go for this country? My picking. If we talk, we go sing somebody for us. I beg, make peace where you want come, make it come in peace.
Okay. So now, with the time man, we don't put ye eye for watch the program today Friday, and with the time those for Donga Mantum Division say me we begin to talk nothing way I don't see him. This countryman we na honorable time for me Ngala Gerard. He don't talk for inside interview say last year he no be did. The other year he no be there for 11 February, he no be there for Women's Day, he no be there for 20th May. The population be so they come out for a grandstand and say he no be give money from NKAMBE. He divide money for his brothers and sisters for Tabiken with a village. So me they not lean now for something for do something say ye day on a politician when they get them they divide that with people them meanwhile some politicians and when they get them they chop only between their family say no they so for man we don't hear so now we go meet up chief Chief, your last talk before one come up for 2 years with the year for you and the whole Babango son and daughter. That the year now, your last talk for inside these 2 years.
Thank you very much, and I thank La Televisio du Monde, LTM, for giving me the opportunity to make a beg, apologize, and beg Babango people them. I want to say, Babango na kingdom, and Babango get a king. If anything good for Babango, always supposed to thank the king. Anything way bad for Babango, always supposed to say the king and you cause him. If something like this big ones will enter Babango, I not blame the king. Babango people not blame the king. Who they could blame him? Who they could blame him? I want to say, Babango na blessed land where get all thing. And Babango na place for peace. Babango na place where things the bad all my kind of because you'll get something for chop. Because right now so where did they talk? But I'm working palace. I guess some mommy don't come the way 5 picking them. I don't keep this mommy for these 6 months where they here. They feed that picking they be good at school. That school not even there now. I don't know which side of mommy will go because I don't get place to go. So I want to end for Beck say, I don't cry. I don't cry. I never sleep for 40 something hours. And the Beck say, may they sorry for these people and bring them back. Bring that small picking back. Where it is see so, but it is small. In mommy, bring the principal back. They take the principal, take it 2 man away to be help. If when I see them, when I go see and say most people they take on my family because since the school be virtually almost taken, I get all my family they chip in for sacrifice, for teach, for learn. Maybe Babango picking and go before. So one back say, no matter what the way will be, when something that won't happen, they're supposed to forget all bad way will don't happen and concentrate or fix that thing. So now, so make Babango people then put their head for down. As I don't, when I don't say I apologize, when I don't apologize. Anything when I don't talk, say I do, I go do. And anyway, when I talk, say make I lie down, I'll lie down for una. Make when I bring these people then back, I don't get no problem. And anything where I don't think I'm, say I think say good for Babango, and I say no good, I don't hear them, it's not good for Babango. So I thank you so much, and I pray say, if you get God inside your heart, you know say God they exist. Sorry for these people them. Sorry for these people them. Bring them back because they don't commit no crime, they don't do nothing. You better say me, you can't take me. Go kill me, go slaughter me, go do anything with me. After all, my picking they clinch to life. They don't shoot my picking at my own picking. If they shoot my picking, they shoot at me. So if they can't take me, go kill them. Leave all these people them. They go fine. And anything when I don't talk, we don't do. I'm sorry, beg say, when I live and so anything pass, I bring back that people. Thank you now.
So when I don't hear talk with Chief for Mokang village, Quarter, yes, Mokang Quarter for Babango, he don't talk Mr. Lambert Prince for Kochi Palace. So your brother, he say me as I do, they call him Shea Baba. Yes, Shea Baba, when I pick him for that side for call for Kochi. Okay. They watch the program. And now when they call and say Colonel, yes, alias Shea Godwin. He says they for Market Square. And those who they did for Asha, they say they don't know say they so you been a prince for the palace.
Yes, I'm a prince from Kochi.
Yes.
You know, from Kochi, play where they say time I go for palace, I don't need for the work I did anyhow. They show me play my place for what she don't. You like go ask fun. Don't show me play for what she done for my palace from Kochi. Yes. You know say some year where will be go where will be keep am from Kochi if they are for Tobin. Now but you say and talk somewhere Vezeka Emmanuel if they listen. Now grandfather where you don't tell me say no matter what you did for know your route. And I find my route, I go see am from Kochi. And I find my route, I go see am from Biabe. I find my route, I can't see am from Top Palace. I find my route now, I go see am from Oku. Not be the prince for all man. Yes. So far as you be journalist for all man. Now so, that.
Yes, your last talk.
Yes, my last talk, the talk. We don't hear chief cry. I beg me peace come. I did thank plenty. Honorable time for me Galajerat. No tire pa. You know, because when I overtalk plenty, I can miss. No tire. The one you are say you don't hold flag for defend your population from Donga Mantung division. As you be don't start the defender. You don't prove say any owner money. You the work now for the interest of the community of Donga Mantung. That's why they get tired. So honorable time for me, no tire. People that they like peace, they go follow your words. And the top big salute for Dr. Abdul Karim Sawai for Hausa Kwata for Limbe. Now Dr. Reddy, he talks even as you talk, so you want to add your talk again. You will give submission. You add the talk general. You know, either for Limbe, for Hausa Kwata. The talk big salute for Simi Moses, Starboy and Taxima Saluji and Shane Joaka Sipren alias CY for Bong Clinic. And the talk say, me will not miss LTM a bake. This pro Tori not be Tori for me. And the court cafe for Iron Lady way get up. Madam Dinali. Mommy, we will tell you how much you get. If you want tell you plenty, we go even make that mistake. Thank you plenty, mommy. You will stay to watch LTM.
We salute all man and we thank all man as Lambert and the chief, all them, they don't come for Tori house. Chief, he don't cry. They not ever see tears for chief. They don't see tears for chief today. If not before Sika LTM, when I know for no say there's some problem, it will go on. So with the Susu back, those who want kidnap, say me they try for release because you know fine. Say some man leave your family in a different side. They will work now for school. So as they don't stop the school, better than I say me then go remain them with their family so that family they see them. Whether money for chop no they go fine. So chief you don't respect, say the school, you know go they better than I say me rotting for your own village than say me do it for different side, you know for fine. So with the time, those who send away photos and information for all sides would pass. With the time, Dr. Maji, where they should have for that side for St. Countess, from Dokoti, the watch with the family. We salute all man for that side for Denye Poto, Malam Saido, USSF, he did for that side, they watch the program for inside your house. Gentle Papa, where USSF did for side from Kambe, and Bawe Divine, all them they watch the program for that side. We salute top 10 for side from Kambe. We the get two, those who they did for Dumbo, like Mr. Enosa, and those where they follow with for that side, Mr. Ndokong, alias Photo, he the watch with for that side, and then man they call say Tashe Bakilam. Yes, Tashe Bakilam, he did for side for Baminda. With Tamford David too, he watch the program. You know the Bisa. With the salute to those they fund them for Wimbum land. With the SSF they watch the program and they fund them for Donga and Mantum Division. With the SSF they not miss the program. Time for me, Fanka, every day on board. We never succeed, forget them. Fine. We salute all the time for me, them, all the share them, and all the time to them. Say this so. Me we try for unite, make say this so. Me culture and tradition, the for site for Wimbumland, me go before. When I try for organize, look the way when I get for go make tradition for that place we bump Ibihala. But with the back, the authority them for site for Donga Mantum say now sleep, you know they. Me control the outside now because sign it don't come out. Then we don't need that sign again. So we salute all the chief them for side for Southwest. We salute to all the chief them for Center region. All the limam them for side for Karwa. Say any way day we did together. Now for carry Cameroon go time for before. They recall you now Francois na SSF a will knock button today for this program with the tangy plenty. Meanwhile, Landy say way SSF a day for route where na Monday where he get for start the match button. That they call me General MOKO, the under general, where when I don't give broom, me it is sweep a Cameroon, sweep all dirty for country, send them for water, so that me Cameroon it is clean, me it not the smell because man of it leave the house and then it is smell. When stranger go come, sometimes it go lavi. So my work now for clean the country, me country is clean, and for me can say me we work for place where it is clean. So they call me General MOKO, messenger for God. It only do now work for God. We could meet up again. We salute all man for Carrefour Sosi and those Fongoso. Say we don't finish and we don't go. Bye bye. Happy weekend.
Salut à tous, je suis docteur Beka.
Salut, ici le docteur Simo de la clinique traditionnelle Nature Bio.